Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the contract is active and a milestone with a dollar amount exists. Once confirmed, open the contract page in Upwork and select the exact contract row tied to the milestone. Prepare your deliverables now, upload files, take screenshots, and draft a concise summary. This prevents delays when you submit. Make sure file names match deliverable labels so the client can cross-check instantly. Doing this upfront speeds approval. You now create the submission. Click the Submit Work or Submit a Milestone button on the contract page. Attach your files and add a clear 1 to 2 sentence summary explaining what you delivered and why it meets the milestone criteria. Include timestamps or screenshots where relevant to show progress. Next, select the correct milestone and double-check the dollar amount and visibility settings. Once everything matches the scope, proceed to the confirmation step so the client sees exactly what you expect them to review. You finish by clicking Confirm or Submit and immediately notify the client in a message with links to files and a short summary. Once done, monitor the contract for client approval or a request for changes. Typically respond within 72 hours to keep momentum. If an upload error or mismatch occurs, re-upload the files, clear your browser cache, or try another browser. If issues persist, contact Upwork support and attach screenshots. That usually resolves stuck submissions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.